Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about becoming profitable, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
So this is an account that I traded between 2022 and the beginning of 2024. I have a new account now that I'm trading. Now, what's your first impression of this equity curve here? So this is the blue is equity curve and the red is my drawdown. And if you notice very carefully that I've never drawn down below 6%, that's my maximum drawdown that I'd ever allow it to. But for most of the time, I was below 3% or 4%. Yeah, somewhere between 3 and 4. But what do you notice about this profit curve? What would you say about it?
The ideal profit curve was rising from the left to the right.
And really tight, right? No big swings.
No big swings.
That's what we're trying to achieve. Now, it appears when you first look at it, you say, this guy's winning all the time. But my win rate is only 50%, just like I said, right? 48% here. Sometimes I'm 45, sometimes I'm 55, depends on the market and which month it is, but average 48%. It's not a high win rate, but it's an unbelievably good profit curve. That's because my average winner to average loser is very well managed. It's at 1.71. Ideally, we'd like to get 2 to 1. Some people can do that. If you make 1.1 to 1 at 50%, you're still making money. But obviously, that's where the training comes in and where your decision making and your experience comes in. You get better and better at that. You keep the drawdowns and the volatility low, and over time, you start making better and better decisions, and you start eking up on those slight, medium, and bigger wins. And then eventually, you start getting there and getting a profit curve like this. But it's not all peaches and cream here, right? If you look here and you were to really look closely at what happened right about here, there is trade number 13. For some reason, it's not showing it. But that high point right at that little bump there is trade number 13. If you go straight across, I didn't make another new high until trade number 62. It's 49 trades later. I just want to let that sink in, right? 49 trades later, that's like weeks later. I just went sideways. Now, it's hard to see that at first because you look at that and you just gloss right over it. You say, oh, wow, it's just going straight up, but it's not. And then at trade number 66, I didn't make another new high until trade number 86, another 20 trades later. And then trade number 92, another new high at 121, another 20 trades later. So you see what's happening?
Yes.
I'm doing this sideways, up, sideways. See that?
Yes, sir.
But notice that each one of these sideways movements are totally different. Some of them are big, some of them are small, some of them are medium. That's the market just dishing you out what it wants to, when it wants to. Your job is to maintain. Keep it going, waiting for those opportunities so that you can move up to the next. You're not losing. You lose, right? You're losing 50% of the time. There's no doubt. But your losses are really measured, and they're always staying nice and tight, and you're always a couple of 2-3 trades away from making a new high. And that's all you have to do. You just maintain until it happens, and then you make a new high, and then you hold that level, and so on and so forth. That's why it's so hard, because a lot of people get frustrated. They think they're supposed to win, right? I don't know how else to show it. But first of all, that's totally unrealistic. Never happens. Maybe once in a while you get on a lucky streak or something. But this is a monumental trading performance right there that you're seeing. Perfect, super boring, taking advantage of the opportunities, and then just keep on the same old drill every day, same routine, everything, just stick with it. If you start drawing down a little bit, maybe get down to 2 or 3%, you start tightening up, maybe closing up your trades a little bit, making them a little bit smaller, because you want to prevent yourself from going down, and you want to get back up so that you can get up to that normal size, and then you're just waiting. You're biding your time. You're going sideways. And that's the game.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.